Good morning, children. Children, in today's class, we will be discussing the second half of the chapter Power resources. Power resources or energy plays a vital role in our lives. We also need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. Power resources may be broadly categorized as conventional and non conventional resources. In this slide, you can see the names mentioned of conventional resources starting with firewood, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and hydropower. We will be discussing them one by one, and the first one we discuss is firewood. Firewood is widely used for cooking and heating. 50% of the energy used by villagers comes from firewood. Remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuels. Petroleum. Petrol keeps your car running. Oil keeps your cycle from squeaking. Both begin as thick black liquid called petroleum. Petroleum is found between layers of rocks drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal areas, sent to refineries which process the crude oil and produce a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastics, and lubricants. Petrol and its derivatives are called black coal, which are very valuable. Chief petroleum producing countries in the world are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. Other major producers are USA, Russia, Venezuela, and Algeria. Leading producers of petroleum in India are Digboi in Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai, and the deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers. Coal. Abundantly found fossil fuel. Coal is used as domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam engines to generate electricity. Electricity from coal is called thermal power. The coal was formed millions of years ago when giant ferns and swamps got buried under the layers of the earth. Coal is therefore referred to as buried sunshine. The leading coal producers of the world are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, and France. The coal producing areas of India are Raniganj, Jharia, Dhanbad, and Bokaro in Jharkhand. Natural gas. Found with petroleum deposits released when crude oil is brought to the surface, it is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Major producers of natural gas in the world are Russia, Norway, UK, and the Netherlands. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna Godavari Delta, Tripura, and some areas offshore in Mumbai have natural gas resources. Hydropower. Rainwater or river water stored in dams. The falling water flows through the pipe inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. Water discharged after the generation of electricity is used for irrigation. One-fourth of the world's electricity is produced by hydropower. Leading producers of hydropower in the world are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, and China. Important hydropower stations in India are Bhakra Nangal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjuna Sagar, and Damodar Valley projects. Non-conventional energy resources. Non-conventional energy resources include wind energy, nuclear energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy, biogas, and solar energy. Non-conventional sources of energy. Increasing use of fossil fuel leads to shortage if the present rate of consumption continues. The reserves of these fuels will get exhausted. Their use also causes environmental pollution. Therefore, there is need for using non-conventional sources of energy such as solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, which are renewable. Solar energy. Solar energy trapped from the sun used in solar cells to produce electricity. Many of these cells are joined into solar panels to generate power for heating and lighting purposes. Solar energy is used in solar heaters, solar cookers, solar dryers, besides being used for community lighting and traffic lights. Wind energy. Wind energy is an inexhaustible source of energy. Windmills are used for grinding grain and lifting water. High speed winds rotate the windmill, which is connected to the generator to produce electricity. Wind farms are found in Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, UK, USA, and Spain. Geothermal energy. Heat energy obtained from the earth. Temperature in the interior of the earth rises steadily with depth. Heat energy may surface itself in the form of hot springs. This energy is used to generate power, and in the form of hot springs, it has been used for cooking, heating, and bathing. World's largest geothermal power plants are in US, followed by New Zealand, Iceland, Philippines, and Central America. Geothermal plants found in India are located in Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and Puga Valley in Ladakh. Nuclear power. Nuclear power is obtained from energy stored in the nuclei of atoms of naturally occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. These undergo nuclear fission in nuclear reactors and emit power. Greatest producers of nuclear power in the world are USA and Europe. Large deposits of uranium in India are found in Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Thorium is found in large quantities in the monazite sands of Kerala. Nuclear power stations in India are located in Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Rana Pratap Sagar near Kota in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, and Kega in Karnataka. Tidal energy. Energy generated from tides is known as tidal energy. It can be harnessed by building dams at narrow openings of the sea during high tide. Energy of the tide is used to turn the turbine installed in the dam to produce electricity. Huge tidal mill farms are located in Russia, France, Gulf of Kachach in India. Biogas. Organic waste, that is dead plants and animal material, animal dung and kitchen waste can be converted into a gaseous fuel called biogas. Organic waste is decomposed by bacteria in biogas digesters and they emit biogas. Biogas is a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. It is an excellent fuel for cooking and lighting and produces huge amount of organic manure each year. Harnessing the energy is both difficult as well as costly. Conservation of energy resources. It is necessary that we conserve the energy resources. There are various ways of doing it, and some of them are judicious use of resources, use of public transport system, switching off electricity when not in use, using power saving devices, and using non conventional sources. Thank you, children.